Look, let's be honest for a second. If you've ever looked at your job and thought, is this really all there is? Then I'm not the first to tell you. You're probably right. You show up, you work hard, you follow the rules, but your bank account, yeah, it doesn't seem to agree with all that effort. Real quick, if you're tired of generic advice and you actually want to build freedom on your own terms, hit subscribe. This is the playbook you wish you had. And every week we drop bold, practical steps to help you do exactly that. Here's the thing, your job isn't supposed to make you rich, it's designed to keep you comfortable, keep you just enough in the game to keep showing up. But it's never going to push you to the top. If you're hoping for financial freedom from your 9 to 5, it's not coming. Think about it. The system's setup is simple. You're trading hours for dollars, and that limits how much you can earn. Even if you're great at what you do, there's only so much room for growth. Promotions come slowly, raises are small, and then taxes take their share too. Now, that's not me being negative, it's just how the system works. So you're probably asking, well, if not my job, then what? Here's the answer: skills. Skills you can leverage, skills you can grow, skills that aren't tied to a paycheck or a boss. And here's the thing, the wealthy don't get paid for time. They get paid for what they know, what they've created, and what they've built. Jeff Bezos once asked himself, when I'm 80, will I regret not trying this? That question pushed him to take the leap. And look at him now. Amazon isn't just a business, it's a legacy. Bezos didn't sit around waiting for a better job or a bigger paycheck. He created something, even though it was risky. He took the first step, even when the end goal wasn't clear. Then there's Elon Musk. He didn't just become a billionaire by showing up at his 9 to 5 job. He taught himself. He learned everything from rocket science to software engineering. He went deep into industries he had no experience in, and now he's changing the world. Musk didn't wait for someone else to tell him what he was capable of. He bet on himself. So here's the deal. If you want to get ahead, you need to invest in you. And that means building real skills that have actual value, skills that can help you build something bigger than just a paycheck. And no, it's not just tech skills like coding, AI, or content creation. People are building real income with things like cooking, graphic design, pet training, Reiki, personal finance, or even custom t-shirt stores. Don't underestimate what seems small. If it solves a problem, entertains, or teaches, it can grow. So here's what I want you to do. Grab your phone or a notebook, whatever works for you. Write down 3 skills you've always wanted to learn, even if they feel random. It could be coding, digital marketing, sales, photography, anything you feel could lead to something bigger. The key is choosing something that could make a difference in your life. Now, from those 3, circle the one that excites you the most, the one you feel you could actually get paid for, the one that could open up new doors. Once you've picked it, it's time to take action. No overthinking. Go to YouTube, search for Your Skill for Beginners, and watch one 10-minute video. That's it, don't complicate it. Then head over to ChatGPT and ask, give me a 30-day beginner's plan to learn your skill, 20 minutes a day. Boom. Now you've got a personalized roadmap to get started. You want the real secret? You've got to show up. It's easy to scroll through TikTok or binge shows on Netflix. But if you're serious about changing your life, commit to 20 minutes a day, every single day. You won't see instant results. You won't be rich overnight. But here's the thing, what you will build is your own potential. And that's yours to keep. No one can take that from you. Wealth isn't about how much you make. It's about how you make it. It's about assets, things that earn you money even when you're not working. Like a business, a digital product, a YouTube channel, an online course, real estate. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme. It takes work, but it's real. If you want real freedom, you've got to build something that works for you even when you're not working. That's where the real wealth starts. Look, you can keep your job, that's fine, but build something on the side. Think of your job as a launch pad and your new skill as the rocket that takes you higher. You're going to feel tired. You'll get distracted. You'll have days when it seems like there's no point. But the people who break free from the grind, they're the ones who kept showing up when everyone else didn't. Ready to take action? Hit that like button if you're ready to start building something real. And drop a comment below. What's the one skill you're finally going to commit to this year?